So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone showing videos blurry after update iOS 16.4.1. Lot of iPhone users reported that they are facing blurry videos after update their iPhone to the iOS 16.4.1. Even I'm also face that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how to fix that issue. Okay, firstly make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update on your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and then fix the blurry video issue on your iPhone. Okay, now move to the next solution. The next solution, force to restart your iPhone after update iOS 16.4.1. okay, it's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just go and force to restart your iPhone and then you can easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next one. The next one is open iPhone setting. Okay, in setting you need to scroll down and you can see appears on screen camera. Tap on camera. Okay, make sure your video recording is selected on 1080 at 30 fps and you can see appears on screen. Here are showing all setting. You need to enable that right now to fix the blurry video on your iPhone issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next one. The next one is open your iPhone setting, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Tap on reset. You can see appears on screen. Here are showing all settings in your iPhone right now. You just select reset all setting and done that. After doing that, you can easily fix your iPhone blurry video issue after update iOS 16.4.1. okay, now move to the next solution. The next solution is downgrade your iPhone to the previous iOS update if you are also facing still after doing that step. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.